If you want to quickly shorten the duration of a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to trim your clip so you can remove unwanted parts and make your video the exact length you want. This is a super useful skill, whether you're editing short-form content, cleaning up a timeline, or just making your video more polished and direct. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and go to the timeline where your video clip is placed. To shorten the duration, you need to select the clip first. So tap or click directly on the video clip in your timeline to highlight it. Once the clip is selected, look closely at the beginning and end of the clip. You'll see the edges, and those are what you use to trim the video. If you're using CapCut on a computer, move your mouse over either edge of the clip until your cursor changes. If you're on mobile, simply place your finger near the start or end of the clip. Now click and drag the edge inward to remove the unwanted section. Dragging from the beginning will cut off the start of the video, and dragging from the end will cut off the ending. This is the fastest way to shorten the duration without adding extra edits. As you drag, watch the clip length update in real time so you can stop exactly where you want. If you trim too much, don't worry. You can always drag the edge back out a little to restore some of the clip. That's one of the great things about editing in CapCut. It's flexible and easy to adjust. Make sure you preview the clip after trimming so you can confirm the timing feels right. This is especially important if you're trying to match music, voiceover, captions, or a beat drop. If your video still feels too long, just repeat the same process and trim a little more from either side until it flows smoothly. And remember, trimming the edges only shortens the duration of that clip. It doesn't affect the rest of your project unless you want it to. So whether you're working on a TikTok, YouTube short, or any other video, this simple technique can save you a lot of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.